A resolution commending Ramon Teñoso and Peter Deocos, co-directors of the Ilonggo Short Film Katagman, which garnered various awards from different international film festivals. Whereas Ramon Teñoso is an Ogtonganon playwright, while Peter Deocos is an Ogtonganon artistic director and choreographer. Whereas Ramon Teñoso is the founder of the Philippine Theatre UK, the only active British-Filipino Theatre in Europe, and has written 28 unique and original plays with 2 adaptations ranging from drama, musical, comedy, and horror fantasy. Whereas Peter Deocos has participated in the World Theatre Festival of the International Theatre Institute and International University Theatre Festival. Likewise, he has performed as the lead actor of the short film Solo, an Ilonggo film that won Best Short Film in the 69th FAMAS Awards. Whereas Mr. Teñoso and Mr. Deocos co-directed the short film Katagman, which was produced by the municipality of Ogton, Iloilo, and featured the pre-colonial Spanish period of Ogton, with the folkloric barter of Panay, the Golden Death Mask, and the pagan rituals, and also touched on the advent of Christianity, the resistance of the Babaylan shamans, and contemporary times. Whereas the Ilonggo Short Film and its directors received various awards from the different international film festivals, to wit, 1. Cannes World Film Festival, France, Best Director Documentary Short, August 2022, Best Shorts Competition, USA, for Documentary, September 2022, JW and DFI Film Festival, Scotland, Best Director, September 2022, JW and DFI Film Festival, Scotland, Best Soundtrack, September 2022, Tokyo Film Festival, Japan, Best Production Design, October 2022, Sweden Film Festival Awards, Sweden Best Short Documentary, September 2022, Cine Paris, France, Best Cinematography, September 2022, Cine Paris, France, Best Original Score, September 2022, and among others. Hindi ko na pag-isa-isa. Actually, there are 21 of them. Whereas the achievements of both Ramon Teñoso and Peter Deocos are worthy of emulation and serve as inspiration to all Ilonggos. So, Madam Chair and Mr. Florida, I propose this resolution. Thank you.
The resolution is a resolution commending Ramon Teñoso and Peter Deocos, co-directors of the Ilonggo Short Film Katagman, which garnered various awards from the different international film festival. I move to pass this resolution, Your Honor.
So moved and is second the motion. Honorable Kahilig Monjahar, Sunyan Serra, Tupas Paes, Diaz Palagrica. Motion is approved.
Thank you.